In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel file to Google Sheets using Google Drive. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you're moving to a cloud-based environment or collaborating with others who use Google tools. Let's begin by signing into your Google Drive. If you're not already logged in, head over to the Google Drive site and enter your login credentials. Once you're in your Drive, you'll notice there's a gear icon near the top of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This opens up a menu with several options. From this menu, choose Settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll find various settings related to file uploading and storage. Look for the option that says Convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. Make sure this option is checked. This is the magic setting that automatically converts compatible files, like Microsoft Excel spreadsheets, into Google Sheets format upon upload. It's a real time saver if you often work with different file formats. Now, let's move on to uploading your Excel file. Head back to your main Drive page if you navigated away, and click on the New button, which is usually at the top left corner of the interface. Clicking this button will provide you with a list of options, including File Upload. Select this option. A window will pop up, allowing you to browse your computer for the file you want to upload. Find your Excel file, select it, and click Open. Your chosen file will begin to upload to your Drive, and thanks to the setting we adjusted earlier, it will automatically convert into Google Sheets format. Once the upload completes, you can open the newly converted Google Sheet directly from your Drive. Just double-click on the file or select it and press Enter. The document will open in a new tab, showcasing all your data neatly converted into Google Sheets format. And there you have it, a seamless conversion from Excel to Google Sheets, all from within your Google Drive. This method ensures your files are easily accessible and editable within the Google ecosystem, making collaboration and sharing a breeze. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you run into any issues or have questions about other Google Drive features, feel free to explore additional resources or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.